One critical question when downsizing is there a place for it in your new downsized home? This is where practicality really comes into play. Imagine moving day arrives and your new home is cramped and crowded because you couldn't part with enough. That's a scenario we want to avoid, and it can be expensive to move as the weight of your household goods is likely the single largest factor that will impact your moving costs. Here's the reality: you can't take everything with you. Downsizing isn't just about reducing square footage, it's also about editing your possessions. Only take the items that will make your new home feel comfortable, curated, and spacious. Remember, your goal is to create a home that feels just right, not one that's overwhelmed with too much stuff. Prioritize what truly fits both physically and functionally in your new space. If I can be helpful to you in your downsizing process, it would be my honor. My name is LeAnn Gunnell, your real estate strategist and advisor in South Metro Denver.